Want your photos to look more vibrant, sharp, or cinematic straight out of your Canon camera? Changing the picture style setting lets you control the look without any editing. In this video, I'll show you how to change the picture style on your Canon camera. Let's change it right now. Method 1. From the Q menu, first turn on your camera, then press the live view button. It looks like a camera icon with a red dot on it. Now press the Q button. Next, use the arrow button, or you can use the touchscreen to select the picture style icon. It looks like a small rectangle with sliders. Then press Set. Now look below. You will see more options like Auto, Standard, Portrait, Landscape, Neutral, Faithful, and more. Choose the style that you like. Then press the Set button to save it. Method 2. From the main menu, turn on your camera, then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the second camera icon tab. Here you can find the picture style option. Click on it and select which style you want. So folks, this is how you can change the picture style on your Canon camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.